Let's compare the Instant Pot Duo Plus to the Instant Pot Duo 6-quart pressure cooker. So the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an 8-quart pressure cooker. It's a little bit bigger capacity. You can make those larger dishes for a bigger family or group. And some big things here with the Duo Plus, we have this digital readout, which has a lot more detail on it in terms of information about your cooking and what settings you're choosing and all that kind of stuff. And we can select all of our different functions and see quite a lot on that little screen. Another big difference is the release mechanism. On the Duo Plus, it's the whisper quiet release back here. So when you release the steam, it doesn't make a very loud sound. It's sort of muted, and you use this little thing to open and close the release valve. So those are, I think, the biggest differences there with the Duo Plus. If we look at the 6-quart Duo, it's just smaller, and it does still have a screen, but it's more just a basic digital screen. The functions are essentially the same, but if we look at the release valve, which is on the lid, actually, sorry, this is the lid over here, you can see it's that traditional release valve, and that makes a much louder sound of steam escaping. So really it's down to the quietness, how much you value the digital screen, and then also the size. If you need a 6-quart versus an 8-quart capacity, then you can choose between those two.